Hi guys, last year CAT happened in 147 cities. This time they've increased the number of centers to 156. So maybe due to the coronavirus thing, and even NEET and JEE have done the same thing. So number of test centers have increased so that there can be less people at one place. Same thing happened even last year as well. I got a center in Navi Mumbai which have only 100 students. Only 100 students were there. So they are trying to make it more easy for everyone to come close, every center to come close to the students. So this is as well the number of centers have increased. It may be because of the coronavirus thing, but I think that's a naturally they are trying to increase the centers every time. So from 147 cities to 156 cities. Last year there were 374 test centers within the 147 cities. This time the test center might increase. That's what we are coming to know. So let's look at the centers where they are. In Andhra Pradesh there are 11 centers. In Assam 5 centers. In Bihar 6 centers. In Chhattisgarh 3. Goa 2 centers. In Gujarat 7 centers. Haryana 9 centers. Himachal 2 centers. Jammu 2 centers. Jammu Kashmir. Jharkhand 5 centers. Karnataka 8 centers. Kerala 7 centers. MP 5 centers. Maharashtra maximum 14 centers. Odisha 7 centers. Punjab 8 centers. 8 in Rajasthan. Tamil Nadu 6. Telangana 3. Uttarakhand 2. Uttar Pradesh 12. West Bengal 8. And Union Territories also as one of the centers. Yeah, I was expecting Delhi to be number 1, but Maharashtra is number 1 with the maximum number of centers. So Maharashtra number 1. Delhi is not counted here. Otherwise, Delhi NCR is supposed to be number 1. Delhi, I will still say Delhi will be number 2, number 3 list, or number 2 or number 3 list. UP is second, and Andhra is number 3 as per the number of centers city wise. So this is based on the data last year. I'm assuming the number of centers have increased this year. So maybe couple of centers up and down will be the number of centers this year. Alright, all the best. So now the problem is there are some centers where the quality of computers are not that great. But that's not center by center, that is individual computer by computer. For example, if you remember your college lab, there might be couple of computers which were always creating problems, and if you get that kind of a computer on the exam day, so you can't help it, and that can be one of the issues. So center wise don't worry about that ki center bekar hoga. Centers are all good. Yeah, if you're unlucky we can't help it, because exam is happening on Sunday, and there is kind of a celebration also going on at times next to the center, so there will be loud music, so you can't help all these things. So these kind of small things will be there, so we will have to understand that we can't control that. वो उस दिन के ऊपर है यार. But apart from that, center wise there is no issues. All centers are good. Depending on which computer you get can create the problem. All the best.